Okay, so you're telling me that with this little magnetic band over here and this kind of like magnetic sticks right here on the side of my nostrils, I can go from this to this. I can breathe again. This is just fantastic. Okay, one more time. No more snoring. Happy wife, happy life. And it comes with tons of different sizes over here. Applying it is so easy, but everything is explained right here in the instruction manual and also a video that you have. But this is just one more time. Take a look at this. I want to go out for a run. But yeah, happy wife, happy life. No more snoring. Check them out right there on the link on the bottom left. Multiple sizes, multiple appliances, everything comes explained right here. And just get ready to breathe. Actually, happy spouse, happy house.